Well, I guess we'll go take a look at some of these projects we're working on. We'll go trudge around in the snow a little bit, I guess. Let's see how this goes. Here we go. Oh, yay. So our newest addition out here, so you can see over there on the trailer. Fun stuff. See how bad this thing is. Oh boy. It's kind of a walk out here, especially in the snow. Well, here it is, 04, 90,000 miles on it. It's not too bad for the most part. It is a complete disaster. So we got a lot to do. I mean, stuff's just set in here for the most part. Whatnot. Front end. Yeah. Bumper's upside down. Yeah, it's gonna be fun. Yeah, let's open up this hood, see what we got going on in here. So I believe it was a hopes and dreams of an LS swap. Maybe even pulled the ABS unit out. Wiring harness, fuse box. I don't know why they would yank the fuse box out like that, but yeah, definitely quite a bit going on here. Lots to do. Anyways, we got Irv's Rx8, his FC. Got a lot going on with those. But yeah, good old snow, good old northeast. Yeah. Pontiac is way up front, so we'll trudge around. Here it is. 53 Chieftain, rough shape. Got to do some floors. Already started the front. So yeah, got to finish the floors. Kind of a hack on the front, but once we got the plasma cutter, it made life a little easier. But pedals are in, out of Silverado of all things. Got to finish rewiring the entire car and see if I can get this disaster open. This will be fun. Hercules! Yeah, a lot to do under here still. Gotta run lines, finish up the firewall, do something with that vacuum operated wiper deal, downpipe. Yeah. Oh, that's heavy. Maybe we'll do something with this Euro trash mobile. I already got a different front mount in it. Exhaust. Then we got these junks. Gotta figure out why we're losing fuel pressure when the pump turns off on that check valve or something. Some body work on this. And this fucking disaster piece. Yeah, a lot coming up on those. But either way, we're gonna get the motor all torn apart for that gray one right there. Probably work on that today. Get back inside. So yeah, we'll get this thing pulled out now that it's all detailed up nicely, I guess. Not really my cup of tea. all the painting and whatnot. Yeah, we got a lot to do, so we'll get this junk rotary out and get her tore down, finish cleaning up the ports, prep it to put it together. Then we can get back to that 04, 05 gray Rx8. That is, as soon as Jordan decides to show up or whatever. We'll see. I go wait for him.